Welcome to our tutorial on how to unmute notifications from new accounts on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open Twitter on your PC and sign into your account. Step 2. On the left side of the page, navigate to the Notifications tab to access your notification settings. Step 3. Look for the settings icon, usually depicted as a gear or 3 dots, and click on it to open the settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, choose Filters, and then select Muted Notifications to customize your notification preferences. Step 5. In the Muted Notifications section, locate the option With a New Account and uncheck the box next to it to unmute notifications from new accounts. By following these simple steps, you can effectively unmute notifications from new accounts on Twitter, ensuring you stay connected with a wider range of users and conversations. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to unmute notifications from new accounts on Twitter using your PC. Enjoy a more inclusive and dynamic notification experience.